Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can play Fortnite on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find a list that includes your games and applications. Here in the right, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your game library, where you're gonna find a list that includes all of your installed games and applications. Right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media. Here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly your profile icon. So right now, in order to play Fortnite on the PlayStation 5, firstly go to PlayStation Store, and then once you're here, as you can see guys, in PlayStation Store, you're gonna find all of the sections, recent release. Here you're gonna find collections. Here you're gonna find sales, subscriptions, browse, and here you're gonna find search, wishlist, and lastly card. Go ahead and click on search, and then once you click on search, right here, as you can see guys, you can search for any game. Just click right here and then type Fortnite. So once you type Fortnite, just go ahead and click on done or click on R2 on your PlayStation or on your controller, and then here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find Fortnite. Go ahead and click on it, and then once you do that, just go ahead and click on download, and then you're gonna be able to download Fortnite. Once the game has finished downloading, just go ahead and here in the home page, you're gonna find it. Just go ahead and click on it to open the game. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.